When I open Yono SBI app, something went wrong while performing your request. Please try again. Something went wrong while performing your request. Please try again. Error message is showing. Solution. Go to date and time settings. Turn on or enable set time automatically. Other solution. Go to settings. Go to settings. Select apps. Select all apps. Search for Yono SBI app. Search for Yono SBI app. Go to storage and cache. Clear cache. This might fix the problem. If you are on Wi-Fi, try switch to mobile data. If you are on Wi-Fi, try switch to mobile data and vice versa. Then turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn it off again. This will forces your phone to reconnect to the nearest cell tower or router. Other solution, go to Play Store and update the Yono SBI app. Subscribe.